Administration argues, or the Trump administration, I should say, argues that this update by the Obama administration is federal overreach. Do you think the rule has worked, or is the president correct that a bunch of low-income housing has now flooded the suburbs?
The president is absolutely incorrect, and his statement is overtly racist and should not be part of our American values. The rule advanced by the Obama administration in 2015 was to fully realize the Federal Fair Housing Act and to ask local and state governments that receive federal housing dollars to take active steps to dismantle systemic racism and racial segregation.
Kate, some say this is an active campaign for housing segregation.
It is. It absolutely, unabashedly is advancing having all white enclaves in the suburbs. And more importantly, depriving Black and Brown communities of equal opportunity so that they are not sitting next to an environmental waste dump. So they actually have real community investment. If we believe in the future of the society that John Lewis envisioned, then we should absolutely condemn what the president has done today.
And people who support the rule say the modification gave the Fair Housing Act teeth. Is there proof that it made a difference?
It did make a difference because it asked local governments and state governments who took these dollars to actively review their policies to see what was causing continued residential segregation and where your opportunity to live and to thrive entirely depended upon your zip code. And only until those local and state governments took those steps can we actually dismantle systemic racism.
Kate, do you believe this is almost like a throwback to 1973 when Trump's father was sued for turning away blacks as tenants in his Trump management and discriminating against black tenants? He was sued in a civil rights case.
Absolutely, and it's actually just a throwback to Selma, Alabama. It's a throwback to the lunch counters. It is explicitly racist. It has no place in our society, and it absolutely should be condemned.
The rule requires local municipalities to assess whether or not there is racial discrimination going on in housing and to propose some changes to combat that. Is that actually happening?
Local governments, some local governments were actually taking active steps to do this. There was data up until today, there was data available on HUD's website that local governments could use to evaluate those patterns and to try to change their policies and practices. And there were many, many people all over the country actively working with state and local governments towards those goals so that we are and can become an inclusive, equitable society.
Well, some are saying this has nothing to do with housing at all. Basically, it's a result of his failing poll numbers in the suburbs.
I can't speak to the president's poll numbers, but I can say that we are better if we are a fair and inclusive society where your future is not determined by your zip code. And this was a step in the right direction, and his words and his actions take us far, far from that.
Kate Walz, thank you so much. The Vice President of Advocacy at the Shriver Center on Poverty Law. We appreciate it, and sorry for the little glitch in the beginning.
No problem.
Be safe, be well.
Have a nice night.